Yeah. We gon' send this one out to all them busters out there, these motherfucking fools that be just straight smoking fools for no apparent reason. You know what I mean? Yeah. Time to get down.
My cell's ringing off the hook about 10 o'clock. They break me off the news, my little homie got shot. They say he got caught slipping in the hood. He caught 3 to the chest and he wasn't doing good. He lasted 8 hours till he passed on in the waiting room at General just before dawn. I'm feeling for his baby, his sister and his mom, a son, a daddy, a soldier now gone. The homies get together and we feeling all this pain. The screaming, the crime making us go insane. An eye for an eye is all that's on my mind, and mercy is the last thing in my heart that I can find. Just thinking about God and the power in the will, but forgive me, Lord. See, now I must kill, and when I catch him slipping, the trigger I will squeeze, break him to his knees and yell,
somebody please